Hello and thanks for watching. Today I will guide you step by step on how to clear your browsing data in the Qwant browser on your Android device. Whether you want to free up space or protect your privacy, following these simple steps will help you delete your data quickly and easily. First, open the Qwant app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner. Then, from the menu, click on Settings. After that, scroll down to find Browser Deletion Settings and tap on it. Now choose the types of data you want to delete, such as cache, cookies, or history. Finally, tap on Delete Data. Finally, confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again on the confirmation pop-up to clear the selected information. That's it. Clearing your browsing data in Qwant is easy and quick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.